Right. Our mission is clear. We're going deep to recover one of the most valuable art collections ever lost. It's a tight spot. We'll need precise navigation to avoid the unstable wreckage.
Maintain position. Ensure sonar lock is stable.
We're gonna need to be careful. It's a tricky one down there.
Test lift in 3, 2.1.
We're diving into unknown, unstable wreckage. Stay focused, stay calm, and keep the tension in check. Let's bring back what was lost.
Five minutes to water entry.
That's where the wreck is, where we believe the collection is resting. It's buried beneath layers of debris, so we'll need to be cautious.
All systems ready.
This is it. Trust your training, stay calm, and work together. We're here for a reason. Let's make this count.
The currents are strong down there.
We'll need to anchor the winch to keep steady.
Ready?
Ready.
Everything's set. Just waiting for the signal.
All systems check complete. Sonar ready.
Beginning descent. Let's recover that treasury.
All coordinates locked. We're right above it.
Let's bring it back.
All systems good.
Watch your footing.
It's here. We've got to move carefully.
Currents shifting.
Hold position steady.
This is it!
We've got pieces of the collection. It's coming up. Hey-oh.
This will be tricky. We'll have to move it to get through.
Take your time.
This is priceless.
We're fine, just a small delay.
We've got more. This collection is worth millions. Visibility's getting worse. We need to keep pushing through.
That's it, just a little further. You're way safe. This is the big one. This is a big one.
We're bringing it up. This is just the beginning.
We did it! It's magnificent!
Absolutely priceless, just as we hoped.
We've got it.
Mission Mission accomplished.
A successful retrieval, First Mate. The world awaits our findings.
Indeed, Captain. All hands standing by for arrival.
We're entering the main hull now.
It's tight in here. We'll have to move carefully.
We're close.
This one's beautiful.
Get out of there!
This is what we've been searching for.
This looks like one of the originals. We'll need to be patient here.
This is one of the first editions.
Watch out!
This could be it. I think we're looking at something valuable here.
Go on. Sonati now.
This was a masterpiece. This is it.
We're almost there.
We've done it!
This is whose was roll history.
An incredible success, First Mate.
Indeed, Captain. The richest find in decades.
This is the final piece.
It's rigged.
We found it. This must be where the rarest pieces are hidden.
This is incredible.
Move! Get out of there!
This is incredible.
It's not stable. I'm moving out of this section.
This is a one-of-a-kind.
Take it slow.
There's more.
It's broken.
Currents are shifting.
This is the crown jewel.
We need to hurry.
We've done it!
We got it!
Yes, well done. That's the last of it.
Everything's accounted for.
We're heading home.
我们快到家了，确保一切都安全。
是了，主职，一切都准备好了。
All clear, Captain. The wreckage is shifting.
It's coming up.
Screen it out.
This one's gonna take time.
We're at maximal strain! We did it! It's beautiful! Nice and slow now, easy girls. I can't believe it's finally here.
It's stuck!
The artifact is secure, but the lift system is under strain.
Hold on!
This one's fragile. Handle with care.
Almost there.
That's it.
We did it! Wrap this over with. Congratulations. Well done, everyone.
We've recovered history. Everything's accounted for.
We did it. The artifacts are safe.
It's good to be heading home.
Let's make sure it's all handled carefully.
We did it! Steady, easy now. Lower it slowly.
After all this time, it's finally here. Look at the craftsmanship.
It's stunning.
This is priceless. It's been preserved remarkably well. We estimate this chest has been underwater for nearly 5 centuries. The preservation is absolutely remarkable.
And the value?
Priceless.
I never thought I'd see something like this in my lifetime.
It was the mission of a lifetime. The ocean kept this treasure hidden for so long.
This is a one-of-a-kind piece. Starting at 10,000, do I hear 11,000, sold for 12,000 to the lady in red. 55 million, do I hear 60? Going once at 60 million. Going twice. Sold.
$720 million treasure found at the bottom of the ocean. We did it.
This collection was lost to time, but thanks to the bravery and skill of a dedicated crew.
This is for the team.
The journey this treasure has taken is incredible.
To the treasure.
To the treasure!
It's finally over. We did it!
And the next adventure is already waiting.
Imagine this at the bottom of the sea. It's incredible that it's finally here.